Hey guys, it's GlamourGirl777. Today I'll be showing you how to make this squishy, and it's really easy to make with stuff you already have at home, and it's actually really slow rising, like, wow. So, yeah, I made a panda bun here, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make a face bun, like blush bun. But you can make whatever squishy you want and whatever color you want. So without further ado, let's get started. You'll be needing tape, a plastic bag, scissors, and optional colors or markers or paint or whatever you want to use for that part. I'm using pink for the blush and black for the face. And then another optional thing, I guess you could use a pen or something, but like a push pin or a thumbtack, so you could poke holes when you need to. You'll see what I mean later. So without further ado, let's get started onto the making. So the first thing you want to do is take your plastic bag and do this to get air inside of it, and then pinch the bottom so all the air is inside of it now, and just pull up into a ball and pinch, and then take your push pin, this is where you're going to use it, and just poke an itty bitty hole or a few itty bitty holes in whatever parts of the thing you want, and tuck the circle that you just curled up underneath. I'm putting all the color to the bottom because I don't want color showing from the top. So eventually it'll become a ball after a while, or like some sort of shape. And after that you could shape it whatever shape you want it to be. I'm making a bun, so I'm just going to make a circle like this. And I'm trying to get all the color underneath so that it's not red on the top, so it's just plain white. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Can't really do any much better than this. I'll try, but doubt it. I'll try. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so this is my little thing, and as you can see, without even taping it, it's already really slow rising. So I'm gonna curl it up in the back into a little spot, and then you're gonna take your tape and you're gonna put your tape all over this thing. Like, there can't be any holes missing with tape unless you just want it to be that way. Like, okay, so you have to cover this whole thing entirely with tape, like the entire thing. Okay, there's the tape right there. So I'm gonna wrap this thing in tape. And I'm gonna cut the end off. Like this. So it looks a little like rectangle-ish, but then if I do the other way, it'll be a complete ball or a circle or bun or whatever you want to call it. It's enough tape. Okay, and now there's only a little spot to fill. If you guys want, you could like skip ahead of me because you know what to do. Just cover it in tape. Oh god, this is the part I hate, when you can't find that little tape spot. There we go. like that, and then this little spot that's not covered yet, I'm going to cover it like that. So now you have your bun in whatever shape you want. I'm just gonna squish mine for you so you can see how slow rising it is. It's just like my panda. It's very slow rising. But now you want to poke a hole. If this is optional, but I'm just poking a hole so that it has some air coming out of it, so it's not stiff and as dense, so it has some air going through it, so it's a little bit softer. Okay, so now that you got your bun, you could choose what you want to do with it. You could color it in, you could paint it, you could do whatever you want, but I'm gonna use marker for mine, and I'm going to make a blush bun on this side. Since this side has color on it, I'm just using this side. I'm making a blush bun. Ugh. Okay. So I'm just going to make my blush bun. Da, da, da. Oh wait, this side. So So here's the finished blush bun, and so that's the end of the video, and this is how you make a homemade squishy without any foam or stuff like that. And a shout out goes to Miss Squish, and this video was inspired by her video, so thanks for watching. Bye!